Hello everybody and happy Halloween everybody. Today I'm going to play the watching hour. Well, that's at least what I think it's called. Sorry if that's my mouse is in here. Yeah, it's called watching hour. Say that my mouse is here. I have nowhere else to put it. He did. Well, happy Halloween everybody. Halloween is my favorite holiday. Holiday. It's not. No! How dare they? This is kind of weird. Oh, that's beautiful. I need to see that beautiful person. I know you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. The healing orb is right there. How much fun. Shops. How do you get over there? Oh, you have to wait. Explain your nails? Okay. Oh, wait, no. I'm dressed like this for Halloween. Wow, I look cute. I look beautiful. This is the scariest that I can get. This is a spoopy boy. A spoopy boy. I love Halloween. Wow. Wait. Wow. Parkour. I did the parkours. Wait, was that Slender? Nope. Where is the... Oh, yay! Wait. Oh, okay. I thought it said pet. Okay. I'm scared. I'm scared. Tiny! A pet tool. Oh my gosh! There's a twee. This is actually kinda cool! Oh. There's a tree on mine. Oh my gosh, this is so cool! Am I going to die? Oh, no. Ah! I'm dying. Help. Before I die, I'm gonna die. Ow. Why am I in a box? Why did I spawn it? Oh, that's why. He went in a box. That's why I spawned in a box. Who called? Who did they call noob? I'm not even going to say that word. Yeah, obvious. Nails! Beautiful. Wait, what kind of nails are they talking about? No! No! What kind of nails are they talking about, though? If you get an airdrop, you die. Slowly, but painfully. Hey guys, I have a question for you. Would you rather die quickly but painless, or slowly and painful? For example, quickly and painless. I don't know for quickly and painless. But slowly and painful, like, I don't know. Don't worry, I'm socially awkward. Okay, I'm not one. I'll teleport up there. Don't you dare teleport to me. See, I have two. They look beautiful, okay? Now let's teleport to them. Huh? I sure did. He seriously teleported to them. I was like, you know what? I'm going to pack with them. And you know what? Since I'm already in a pack with them, why not? Seriously? Darn it. Never mind. Why not just, well, you. Why just not teleport to them? I knew I had bad luck. It's a lie! That's why! I'm sorry if I'm not talking that much. I'm just trying to. Oh my gosh. Hey Lily, scream. I died in an obstacle course. Don't worry about me. I'll never sing again. We'll never sing again. One is a genius, the other's insane. Pinky and the brain, a Pinky and the brain. One is a genius, the other's insane. A Pinky and the brain, Pinky and the brain. One is okay. That song is stuck in my head. Don't worry. How will I do the parkour? Wing ding 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 ding. I did it. Now I can take a selfie. Seriously, going to take a selfie. Oh, I love Halloween. Happy Halloween. Ew, it's ew. Just kidding, I like this color. Let's hop out, down. The floor is lava! Uh-oh. Wait, one second. Oh, there we go! Oh, 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 oh. I'm seriously cheating right now. Pack tool. Oh, they're trapped. Seriously, another pack tool? Me! Can I pack with myself? I'm probably not going to use it. Oh, now I can't jump up there. Oh. Yeah, no. I want to pack with the spring trap. Oh, no. The spring trap. My gosh. No. I remember. What am I doing? I'm going to come back with you, beautiful. When well, when the next round happens. So sorry. I'm back. So who's gonna be first? Oh, it sounded like someone was eating someone. I wonder what the spring trap does. Spinner. Fidget spinner? Oh. That sucks. You have to jump on someone else's base or have a new one. No, like jump on someone else's base. Or just jump and die. Crush the road. What is the oh. They were shooting everyone, so I had to do it. To not die. This is the longest I ever been. And the time is almost done. Let's just say a loss. Bye, guys.